In this video, we are going to see that if you are working on Tableau Public and you want to save your data, because right now it only shows book 1. So we are afraid that we have worked on multiple analysis and we want to access it next time as well. We don't want to lose this data. So what we can do is we can click on this little option, Save to Tableau Public. What it does is it will automatically save it on the browser on which you have logged into a Tableau Public account. It will save it there because you cannot save it locally. Let's try to save it. Click on Save As. You can save it locally. Let's try that. Tableau Sheet. Click Save. Okay, now it is named as Tableau Sheet, but it's better to save it in public as well. Let's click here. And it requires the sign in. So let's click on sign in. Let's mention all the credentials. Click on remember me, sign in. Country, let's select the country. I agree and complete sign in. And there you have it. It's saving the workbook, sending the data, and it will open up the browser again. All of your work is now saved on the Tableau Online. You can see it right here. But let's say that we don't want to show this to public. What we can do is just click on the profile icon on the top right, click on my profile. After that, it is saved every time to cloud. Let's say I click it again. And basically you can copy this link whenever you want to find your data. And whenever you want to download this again, let's say from the cloud, you can download it from the bottom. Just go here and click on the image or data, PDF form, PowerPoint, however you want to convert and download this data. Let's click on the PDF. Let's click on download. And now it shows something like this. Obviously you need a little bit adjustment whenever you're planning to download anything. But this is how you can save this Tableau sheet both locally and online as well. Let's close out of here and we open the Tableau desktop application. You can see that it is saved both locally and online. So you can access any of the sheet. It is showing as recently open files. So that's not a problem. Whenever you want to save it and re-access it, that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.